excited to announce that Khanmigo, our generative AI-powered tutor on Khan Academy, is now generally available. And this is especially powerful as we go into back to school, that if you have Khanmigo, your student has it on their Khan Academy account, that they're going to be fully supported. They can ask questions not just on their Khan Academy work, about anything that they see in their schoolwork. But it will not cheat, it will not do their homework for them, but it will provide support like a great tutor would. But it goes beyond what a traditional tutor would do. My background's in computer science, and using this with my own kids, I found it to be a better programming tutor than I can be. It also does things like academic coaching. It can actually give feedback on students' college essays. It can simulate historical characters. It can simulate literary characters. It can do creative exercises with the student where they could write a story together and your student could even talk to the characters in the story. Now, as a not-for-profit, our mission is free world-class education for anyone, anywhere. But we are having to charge for Khanmigo. It is $9 a month. And we have to charge that because the computation costs of generative AI are actually quite expensive. And this is an experience, I want to be very clear, it's built off of the cutting edge AI technology. We're not skimping on any dimension of the quality. I think people are surprised by the quality of the math and how much we've been able to reduce some of the rough spots that generative AI has historically had. The guardrails that we've put in, not only does it not cheat, but you as a parent, if your student's under 18, can monitor what's going on, can be actively notified if anything suspicious is going on. So if you want to help support your student this coming school year in their academics and beyond, think about getting Khanmigo for them.
It actually offers step-by-step instructions, but not to the point where it gives the answers to the student, but it guides them enough where if the student reads and goes along with it, it actually helps them achieve the answer without giving it to them. So almost like your own little personal virtual assistant with you at all times. It gives them an ability to be self-sufficient in a way. So it's a really great tool.
And I think Khan Academy is leading us through that path of let's support the kids, let's manage it, let's monitor it so that then we can allow the educational world to look at how can this really impact education and how can it make it better.
Buy-in is so important. Like, student engagement is the key to education. If the students are able to ask the personalized questions and it gives an answer that's relevant to them, they're going to feel more empowered to do the work and feel inspired to try to learn these things that otherwise...
We make videos used by teachers, students, and anyone who values learning and wants to understand the world better. Or, in the case of Crash Course Astronomy, the universe. We cover topics all across the sciences and humanities like physics, sociology, statistics, history, film studies, business, and so much more. Our videos are rigorously researched with writers and consultants making sure our content is accurate and useful both to people who just want to learn and those following a curriculum. Our animation team, Thought Cafe, brings the things we teach to life with absolutely delightful animations that help solidify the information. Our mission is to provide high-quality educational content to everyone for free, and our community here on Patreon helps make that possible. When you become a member, you immediately get access to everything we've ever made that's available at that pledge tier, which at this point is quite a lot of stuff. Seriously, we've been here since 2015. There are over 1,000 patron-only posts you could potentially unlock, including live streams, outtakes, digital calendars, and much more. But besides all of those sweet benefits, becoming a member also means you're contributing to something we really believe needs to exist: free, high-quality educational content. Creating these videos is extremely resource intensive, and the truth is that we simply would not be able to do what we do without your support. People who can afford to pay make it possible for Crash Course to exist for the people who can't. Thanks to our patrons, we're able to upload multiple videos a week and expand to new things, like, for example, a Crash Course app. Check out all the information below for the benefits we're currently offering. We happen to think they're all pretty awesome, and we hope you think so too. Patreon is where we really get to connect with you all, so we can't wait for you to join us here and be part of this fantastic community. Thank you so much for being here.